Samsung are true to their word by updating every month with security patches. And this is not even a year old. Oh, here we go. Would you look at that? Speak of the devil. I'm getting I'm getting my March 1st update, which is downloading now. And as you can see here, it's just your basic updates, your security patch. So I'll let you know how that goes. Oh, that's good news. So Samsung are true to their word. So we've got about 4 years worth of updates coming to this tab. So if you're in the market to buy the Tab S7 Plus, I can't recommend it more.